Hi friends, if you want to earn some extra money by selling the products online without having to actually buy or store them, then you must know about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the process by which an affiliate earns a commission for marketing another person's or company's products. So if you run a website, or you are a blogger, or a social media creator, affiliate marketing could be a popular tactic to drive sales and generate significant online revenue. Affiliate marketing begins with you posting an ad or a link of a product or store on your website, blog, Instagram, Facebook or on YouTube. Your audience clicks on the link you posted and is sent to the product or the store page through tracking link. Customer makes the purchase, the affiliate network records the purchase and details of transaction. The purchase is confirmed by the store and the transaction is credited to you. You get paid a commission out of each sale through your link. So guys, affiliate marketing can prove to be an effective way to meet your income goals as either a primary career or a profitable second job. And all this from the comfort of your home without worrying about producing your own product or service. Hope you all found the video useful. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. See you next time.